How to make or generate provisional pension. Let's go to start and learn clearly in this video. At first, make a provisional pension statement like this. Now log in to the Finassam account. Now go to the others will and click on pension. Month and year are okay. Click on the plus symbol to create form. Now fill up the pop-up window form. Pension type, select pension regular. Bill category, select general. Head of account, select according to the sanction order, or if confused, ask the treasury office. Details of expenditure, we can fill it like this. Provisional pension of retired employee name and his or her designation. Of office name. Effect from when to when, fill up according to the statement copy. Sanction number and sanction date, fill up according to the sanction order. Sanction authority and authority designation, fill up according to the sanction order. Now click on Save Bill. Now click on Edit Symbol. We click on Add Beneficiary symbol on the right side. Now select the pensioner employee and click on Add. Now close the Add Beneficiary window. Now fill up the amount according to the statement. Now click on Save. Click on Go Back. Now bill is ready for generate. Click on Generate button. Now fill up the bill date. The bill number will be auto generated. Click on Generate. Now finally the bill has been generated. Now we can submit this bill to the treasury. This video. Please like this video and subscribe the online office channel. Thank you.